Okay, the next puzzle type we're going to go over is bridges or Hashio Kakero, which literally means in Japanese cross the bridge. Okay, so I'm going to click Launch App, and here we are. Okay, now this is another numbers logic game, and this is you can use this as a standalone puzzle type, or you can add it to a collection of logic games, which is another good idea. Puzzle games. Okay. Now, again, we always start off with pages, bulk, and story. Story is the elite type portion of it, where we inject it with AI, which allows anyone to create, with a click of a button, a cohesive story with consistent characters and this puzzle type added into that activity book. And if you're a basic user, then you might want to use bulk because it allows you to create one book in one go. Of course, just the puzzle. Okay. So the controls are the same, and I have a video within the section on the basics on the controls. Okay, but let's go with bulk. Let me show you right quick. We have different varying levels of difficulty. We have 6 to 7 by 7, 8 by 5, 8 by 8, 9 by 9, and we have right here difficulty levels: easy, medium, hard, expert. Okay, and we can also change grids per page. So let's go with 4. Okay, and we'll keep it 8.5 by 11. Let's create the page number. Okay, make sure it's a page number. I like to leave it center and just the page number. And let's create a book of, I don't know, 30. Okay. Now remember, you have to account for the solution. So that's going to be a book of 60, right? When it's all said and done. Let's click add the queue, scroll down, overwrite anything that we have here, and click generate all 30. And that's it, we're done. We're going to download as a PDF. And once that's done, we have our book. Now, like I said, what you saw in the preview were the solutions. So if you scroll down, the solutions are present, okay? There you go. Have a great day. See you in the next video.